Hi, I'm Allie Reynolds with Allie's Organics, and I want to show you how to tell when your onion is ready. A lot of people will call it ripe, but I think that's more of a fruit thing. So anyways, onions, they'll grow for a long season, and depending on where you live, you might be harvesting anywhere from May clean into September. So it's just going to depend on your area, but there's definitely some things that you can look for with your onion. This onion here is definitely ready. You can see that we're getting some yellowing on the leaves themselves, and we're starting to get that paper on the onion here. That's typical when they're starting to get ready. Also, your tops will fall over with the onions. When the tops fall over and they're starting to emerge from the soil, you know that you can start to harvest them at this point. So this is a good indication that they're ready. This is July. Usually in our area, mid-June, they're ready, but because of our cool season this year, we're just a little bit late. So this is good. There are a few things that you can do to protect your onions if you can't harvest them for the next week or so, because they will last in the ground for just a little while, and it's kind of a good way to store them. Basically what you want to do is protect them. So just kind of cover them up so that they don't get sun scald with the soil, and they'll continue to grow a little bit. This is just another way that you can just kind of prolong the harvest if you need to. But otherwise, go ahead and pull him up. And there he is. He's ready to go into your food storage or pantry. So these are just really good indications of when your onion is ready to be harvested.